Hello, my name is Rüzgar Torçuk, and this is my video for Phys101 project. In this experiment, we aim to understand kinetic and static friction better, observe how they affect kinematic situations, and measure coefficients of kinetic and static friction between certain objects and certain surfaces. Our procedure is measuring the object's weight and mass, then measuring the object's maximum static friction force by using a dynamometer on both surfaces, measuring the object's kinetic friction force by using tilt tool to increase the angle of the surfaces, and finally, by using the equations of static friction, kinetic friction, Newton's second law, equation of position from velocity and acceleration, and equation of acceleration, calculating coefficients of static and kinetic friction of object 1 and object 2 on surface 1 and surface 2. So this is the object 1 and this is the object 2. This is the first surface that we took measurements on, and this is the second surface, and also this is the tilt tool. As we see from our results, coefficient of static friction is measured greater than kinetic friction on surface 1. However, on surface 2, due to some errors such as incorrect data measurements, simplifications and assumptions like claiming air friction negligible or unknown variables such as not knowing fundamental structure of surface 1, kinetic friction is measured greater than static friction. In theory, according to our coursebook, coefficient of static friction of wood on wood is 0.5 and coefficient of kinetic friction of wood on wood is 0.3. However, because of errors I mentioned, with our data, the error percentage for static friction is 46.2% for surface 1 and 32.2% for surface 2, and for kinetic friction, 5% for surface 1 and 21% for surface 2.